Hello everyone, my name is Niki Mehrotra and I am working as a software engineer in IFM Engineering Private Limited, India. I would like to thank Gandharv for providing me opportunity to speak in front of you all regarding my testing tips. But before moving to that, I would like to wish you all a very happy and prosperous new year. I wish this 2023 brings a lot of happiness, growth and health for all of you. So, moving towards my testing tips. Learning is one of the most important things that we should focus to improve our career growth and also to start our career. So, if we keep on learning and practicing our knowledge, then definitely we will be succeeding ahead in our career. And also if you are testing some sort of project, then we should focus on the requirement. If we are analyzing the requirement very well and we are testing our project as per the requirement, then definitely there won't be any major bug or severe bug that we will be encountering in future. So we should focus on requirement analysis and requirement gathering, and also we should try to communicate as much as possible with our senior colleagues, with our mentors, with our stakeholders, because if we are communicating with them, then definitely we are improving our own knowledge. So keep learning, keep testing, and again wish you a very happy and prosperous new year ahead. Bye bye.